In this tutorial we are going to create props inside Blender for the game Roll the Ball. This will be the first video of this series. On the upcoming videos we will create textures for this props, import into Unity, and we will go through the process of creating a complete Roll the Ball game. We will start by creating a simple cube. Now scale it along the X and Y axis. I'm using mirror modifier to create stand for our road block. Make sure you turn on clipping. Apply the mirror modifier. Now let's create boards for our road block. Make sure you change to normal space and scale it along the X-axis. You can change to normal space by clicking this. You can see an overlapping issue, we'll fix that later. Duplicate the board. Now select both the boards and scale it by pressing Alt+S, that will fix the overlapping problem. Mirror this along the Y-axis. Apply all the modifiers, it's time to join the boards and stand using Ctrl+J. We have our low poly road block ready. Now let's create our spikes obstacle. We will use cone for this case. Make this more spiky by scaling it along the X and Y axis. To create multiple spikes, we will use two array modifiers. Now we have our grid of spikes ready to be used in game. Next, let's create our coin. We will use circle object for this. You could also use cylinder. Reduce the vertices so that we get a low poly object. You can create coin easily by extruding and scaling inwards. Now we have our 3 props ready to be textured. I'll show you in the next video how to texture objects inside Blender easily without baking or losing any quality. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the content and support me to make more stuff like this, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon so you will get notified when I upload my next video.